Okay everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're gonna go ahead and show you how you can pair or connect your wireless device to your Google Chromecast. Now let's say you have wireless headphone, or maybe you have a wireless speaker and you are looking for a way to connect it. Now to do this process, there are a few things you have to do. First of all, make sure that the device that you're trying to connect is enough charge or should have enough charge. And the next things you have to do, make sure that your device is on the pairing mode. Okay, now all you guys can do, simply can turn the device on, or you simply can place it on your pairing mode, and then you can just go ahead and do a little work on your Google Chromecast for being able to connect it. After you have just turned it on, simply get back to your Google Chromecast. Now on your Google Chromecast, just simply go to your settings, and afterward just scroll down and open up your remote and accessories. Now simply open it up and it says pair remote and accessories, and now it's gonna look for your device itself. I'll just go ahead and select it, and then it is gonna get paired with this device right away. Now just go ahead and wait a little bit and simply go ahead and press this middle button to pair it, and now it says it's connected. Right after it says connected, now you'll be able to use your devices the way you actually want. Okay, now this time let me just go ahead and connect that speaker to your Google Chromecast. Now here we have already connected. Let me just go ahead and forget this device and show you how you can do it. Okay, now once you have just done that, now just go ahead and open up your pair remote or accessories once again. Now it is gonna look for your speaker as well. While you're doing this, make sure your Bluetooth is also on from your speaker as well. Now simply ask Alexa to turn the Bluetooth. Alexa, turn the Bluetooth. Okay, after you've just searching your device, you're gonna find this device right away, and I'll just go ahead and select the device, and it's gonna get paired just in a moment. Okay, now go ahead and pair it. Alright guys, now as you can see, now our speaker now has been connected to the Google Chromecast, and that was really easy and simple, to connect your headset and your speaker to your Google Chromecast. Alright guys, as you guys can see, now we have connected both devices here, but here is one thing you have to keep in mind, that you cannot actually use both devices at a time. Okay, you have to choose one device if you want to use it in particular, because this is the only way your Google Chromecast will work for giving you the audio. Okay, so this is how you can connect your wireless headset and your speaker to your Google Chromecast. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video guys, and we will talk to you all later.